Hey y'all, so really quickly, and the reason for this madness of a cap that I have on is because I went to Dollar Tree the other day and could not find any more of the pom-pom hats. Like, I know that when I post a video, y'all have to go right then and there, get your pom-pom hats, your crafting supply, whatever it is that I'm about to post, you got to go get it right then. And if you're a part of my EPC Crafters Gym membership, either the black, the silver, I automatically tell you all what to go buy before I post it, because I already know. So I did go on Amazon and look for some hats, because you know we got to give the people what they want. And I brought this here cap, and I do have a video on it showing you exactly what went wrong. But before you go buy a whole lot of hats from Amazon, you better make sure you buy one or two first to check it, to make sure it's what you want. So far, the knitted hats, Dollar Tree got downbeat. Alright, but I'll still be looking. But anyway, the purpose of this video is to do an unboxing. So if y'all don't know, I follow Alicia Little, and I get some amazing deals. Well, I shouldn't say deals. I get some amazing ideas and things I didn't know what AI can do. So one day she was having a Summit 2025, and she actually posted live on her Summit how she was able to post her product on eBay using ChatGPT. All she did was took a picture and was like, post this to my eBay account. And she did. And when she did, being that I've been on eBay for 20 years, I knew exactly how to go find it. So when I found it, I brought it during the live. So in the live, I say, I just bought your Beanie Baby. Can you please sign it for me? I don't know if she saw the message, because she never responded. So anyway, the Beanie Baby is here, and I'm about to unbox it. I don't even remember what it looked like, child. I brought it before somebody else had got the brilliant idea to do so. So let's open it up and see whether or not she signed my Beanie Baby. Is this from her? Ha! Yep. I get all kind of packaging. I had to make sure. Oh, God. Let's see if she signed. She is signed. It says, thank you for your purchase. Please contact me if you have any questions or concerns at all. Period. But anyway, here's my beanie. It is not signed. My feelings are all hurt. So hurt. But I just love it. I love it. It's the most adorable thing, and it's sealed, y'all. So I am going to hold on to this. I know I collect dolls. So I'm going to hold on to it. I'm not going to leave it against her. I'm not going to put it against her because she didn't sign my Beanie Baby. But I'm for sure going to be still following and lurking in her seminars. Alright, y'all. Until the next video, get to crafting.